Today we are going to discuss one more problem in the surface integral. So, in the surface integral, what is the formula you have come across with is integral f bar dot n bar, integral f bar dot n bar, some plane, some surface dy dz by modulus of n bar dot I bar. Here it is, you have to remember how this is going to do that one. F bar dot n bar is common dy dz plane, projection on dy dz plane. Projection on dy dz plane means the limit should be in terms of y and z. Here modulus of n bar dot I bar you have to write. Yz means we left with x. So x coefficient is I bar, therefore modulus of n bar dot I bar you have to write. So here now look at this problem. If f bar is equal to 4xz I bar minus y square j bar plus yz k bar, evaluate integral f bar dot n bar ds where s is the surface of the cube bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to a, z is equal to 0 and z is equal to a. That means our classroom, x is equal to 0 and ground, x is equal to a and top, like that. Okay. So first if you do that one, cube you will get like this. First you consider one surface ADEF. A means here ADEF. You consider the surface ADEF. This surface is parallel to which one? YZ plane. This surface is parallel to YZ plane. This equation is x is equal to 0. This equation is x is equal to a. Therefore, x is equal to a. I have written this surface projection should be in the YZ plane. Therefore, ds is equal to dy dz. Dy dz means y coordinate varies from 0 to a. Z is varies from 0 to a because in the problem itself he has given n bar is equal to I bar. So here it is, you put a pencil on this surface. It is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, n bar is equal to I bar. Therefore, f bar dot n bar is nothing but you will get 4xz. Therefore, integral over r1 f bar dot n bar ds is equal to y limits to z limits to and 4xz you have written. But in place of x, how much you have to write? A. Therefore, 4az dz dy. Therefore, if you simplify, you are going to get 2a power 4. Next, go for the OBGC. OBGC. So this is the surface. In where it is YZ plane. Therefore, x is equal to 0. ds is equal to dy dz only. Y varies from 0 to a. Z varies from 0 to a. N bar is equal to minus a bar. Because if you put a pencil here, so this is in the opposite direction of x. So negative x-axis. Therefore, minus a bar you will get. Therefore, f bar dot n bar is nothing but minus 4xz you will get. So minus 4xz in place of x, if you write 0, you are going to get 0. Next, along BDEG. B stands for there BDEG. This is surface BDEG. This is parallel to which surface? XY plane. Therefore, XY plane. That means this is Z is equal to A. Z is equal to A. ds is equal to dx dy. X varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to a, n bar is equal to k bar. Therefore, f bar dot n bar is equal to k bar coefficient is yz. Therefore, yz you left with. So, x limits to y limits to yz. So, in place of z, how much you can write? A. Therefore, this come across with ya. If you simplify, you will get a power 4 by 2. Similarly, along OAEC. Along OAEC. Where is O? O, A, E. OAEC. OA. So this plane we did this BD is so OAFC, that is not E, that is F. OAFC. Next you consider OAFC. Here Z is equal to 0, ds is equal to dx dy. X varies from 0 to a, dy means y varies from 0 to a, n bar is equal to minus k bar. F bar dot n bar is minus yz. In place of z, if you substitute 0, the entire one will be 0. Along CFEG. CFEG means CFEG top. top of the classroom, CFEG. This projection is where xz plane. Xz plane means y is equal to 0. So this surface is nothing but y is equal to a. So y is equal to a. So y is equal to a, ds is equal to dx z, x varies from 0 to a, z varies from 0 to a, n bar is equal to z bar. So f bar dot n bar is nothing but you come across f bar dot n bar minus y square. F bar dot n bar is equal to minus y square you left with. So y is equal to a. If you substitute minus a square and simplify minus a power 4, you will get it. Similarly, along AOBD means ground. AOBD means ground. XZ plane, that means y is equal to 0. ds is equal to dx dz. X varies from 0 to a. Z varies from 0 to a. N bar is equal to minus j bar. So f bar dot n bar is equal to plus y square. So in place of y, if you substitute 0, you are going to get entire one 0. If you add the entire values, 2a power 4, 0, a power 4 by 2 minus a power 4, you left with 3a power 4 by 2.